Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the types of errors that occur while dealing with VBA. There are three types of error that we discuss today here. First one is syntax error, second one is compile error, and third one is runtime error. Let me tell you what is syntax error. Just let me remove the double quote from here, and I as click beside this line, and it will show this pop-up message, and it's also read this line. So if we want to correct this error, we have to click on OK. After that, we have to closely examine this line and see where the error is. So let me just put again double quote, and as I correct this error, and the red line is goes up, and its VBA coding seems fine. So let me tell you what is compile error. For example, here normally we add the method to this object. So instead of add, let me just write value. As I implement the value, so it's also capitalize the V, and obviously this method is available, but we have to see either is compatible with this worksheet or not. This method is compatible with this worksheet, so we have to, if we want to check this one, we have to click on debug, and here we have to see the compile VBA project. So just we have to click here, and it will also highlight this value and compile error method or data member not find. So this method is not applicable for this object worksheet. We have to click OK, and we have to again click add. So now we have to see this code is running fine or not. We have to just click on the compile error. So it's running fine. So the second error is runtime error. If we just, for example, if we just remove the 1 from here and put B, so let's see what will happen. So first of all, it doesn't show any syntax error. So let me check the compile error. So also there is no showing the compile error. So now let us see either it's giving a runtime error or not. So for checking, we have to just click on the run. So now it shows the runtime error, class is not registered. So we have to click now on debug. So it's highlighted this row. So to correct this error, first of all we have to correct this one, but this arrows still shows, it shows its error is corrected, but you want to continue from this line or not. For example, if I want to continue, then I have to click again F5. So it error is goes, and let me tell you its VBA code is working. So you can see that this sheet is added, and here the in cell A1 RH point is added. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question and query, you just comment below. Thank you so much.